it, go on with it. Go on with it, Nadine.
Crab Circle reopens. Okay, burritos now. So welcome to a new countdown quickie where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. Now I'm talking about the official grand reopening of the Crab Circle, yeah man, Hero Circle. So as mentioned, several weeks ago, I've done a number of videos about this. Some time ago, Alice, she was, seen in a video relieving herself in front of her stall. It was captured by the whistleblower, aka Nadine. And so since then, the area has been shut down. It was properly sanitized. They received training from Heart NSTA, and now on November 23rd, the reopening happened. So let me just go and show you some of the highlights. Especially, I want to go and show you what Nadine had to say. No, she is not officially back yet because she's currently undergoing her training because she and Alice like it kind of itch. Nadine did have a little excuse though, so she kind of did a worry about her safety. So now that she feels somewhat okay, she's receiving her training now, so that she can officially return. But yeah man, they do have their bathrooms, them have the sanitization area, the wash area, all of these things are in place, and so hopefully they'll be able to manage it correctly and to just to keep the area in a manner that will be upstanding. Okay.
Go on with it, go on with it. Go on with it, Nadine.
Clean, fresh running water.
You good?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, that child, stop me.
Start.
Start again.
Hey. You're not here. Where's the out next week?
Yes, out here back again. By next week. Come and support Nadine, my crab corner, soup again. And I appreciate my customers, them. Customers them and big up support of them, and I appreciate it. You understand?
Good.
Feel good. I feel good. You understand me? And the people them who always come out and support me. The real crab eater them only can't come because guess what now? The place are gonna keep clean. We have toilets and we have sink for washing our hands. So whenever they're here before, in place right now.
Feel good, man, I tell no lie. Because when you shut we down, I feel so upset and so bad.
I never know today was the excitement there, but it's a good look. They've been away for a while, and of course this is how they, earn their honest bread. So welcome back. Do your thing.
It's a good thing. This sink and the restroom, so in the future, nothing more like that can happen again.
Special welcome back to the vendors of Crab Circle.
Ends October the 17th, 2023 would have marked the start of our training, which would have concluded on October the 21st, 2023. This would have mean we met the World Health Standard. The journey was a few days of knowledge, which will better equip us to serve the world more professionally. So from the team of Crab Circle, we are sincerely grateful, and to the wider public, we have made it. We are ready to move forward professionally with our service. Thank you.
And them have a little soap and a little things, and then soap the right just so, you can wash your hand Yeah, so I love it for us. I love it.
Tomorrow.
Somebody want a river. You want a river?
How much that?
I'm just slow them, you know, so I guess so.
What? More than picture, yeah, bite on him, like that.
Why Alice's name not up there? Very nice.
This one is Munchie.
Oh, with your names on it as well.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wash it every day. Every day. You can wash it. How do you feel about it?
Fine. Everything alright.
Yes.
Glad that you're so
So you can get back to work, right?
Yeah. Can't stay in my bed.
No.
I'm used to that. When I used to lie down in my bed. I used to get up.
That's complimentary of our. It's complimentary of our Garmix Academy.
Yes.
Which is created by our Garmix Academy. And we are, so the chef jacket is built by our Garmix Academy that focuses on fashion and garment construction, and we personalize it with the food operator's name on it. And each vendor has one. Each vendor has one, and it's a part of our intent and support for them to be more personalized and improve their customer service.
Wow. Thank you so much.
All right, Kim, I'll do this, Kim. Yeah, Kim, and nice. Alright, Kim, sit there. Yes, Kim, and so sit here. Yeah, man, I do this now.
And Kim said you can't wash.
No worries. Yeah, Kim, I love this.
Nothing can go wrong because we are doing the right thing.
Willing to take on chicken, you never too old to learn.
Yeah, man, I do in practicing this, you know. I'm here circle. Abby great. Poor chef. And we there and we are doing the crabs, and we are doing the crab, and we are doing the soup, and we are doing the corn. Well, when we did lockdown throughout the little time, it was so hard and tough and rough. But right now we're up now and everything up and fully running. So we feel good. We feel good for what we're doing right now. Right now we go to Leap Center, which is the art, and we get all the necessary measures how to deal with all the things them. So right now we're fully up and we are doing the right thing. Nothing can go wrong because we are doing the right thing. Well, the experience through the art program, well, it was good enough because we learned nothing we never know before. How to store your food, how to keep your food. Food preparation was good. So we learned all of that, and we get all of that now. So we know how to do all the things, how to carry out the work, how to do the necessary thing there. So we know all of that now. So Leap Center was a good stepping stone for us. So right now we get that and we have all of that and we are moving forward now. You understand? We're moving forward. A lot to get from Leap Center. We bring to the street. You know, we have a Heritage Street and Heritage. You understand? Yes, so that's what they are doing. Yes, so there are more than one restaurant. I'll that. The boss. More than one restaurant. You understand? And we're there and we are doing what? Any little teaching process, willing to take on chicken, never too old to learn. And we like what me and everybody do, so, you know, we're good and we're up and running now. This time. And to the Christmas coming up, we're fully up and festive, everything.
Yeah, and don't forget that we're still on the road to 300,000 subscribers, so don't forget to like, comment, and to share the video as well as to subscribe. And let me know that you see the place now, are you open to, you know, buying some crab down there, you know, drinking a little cup of the soup? Sound off in the comments.